I'm Stephanie over at Body and Balance Wellness Center in Golden, Colorado, and we're here today just to talk a little bit about what can you do for back pain that you can do on your own. But remember, whatever we show you, make sure you do check in with your doctor or your chiropractor to make sure it's safe for you to do at home. So, Kat, go ahead and lie down. Today we've got what we call the back peanut. It's very scientific. It is 2 tennis balls or 2 lacrosse balls squished together. You can use a tube sock or you can tape them together like we have here. And you're going to go ahead and place that so each ball is on either side of your spine. Your spine can go right in the middle. And we're going to work it all the way from your tailbone up to your neck. Go ahead. While you're laying on it, feel free to undulate your body just a little bit, kind of get a little wiggling around so that those 2 little balls can really dig into the muscles and try to loosen things up. After you get a couple of wiggles, you go ahead and slide the peanut up a little bit, or you can slide down it. Either way works. And you're just going to methodically work your way all the way up to your neck. How's that feel? Good. Yeah? Awesome. As you get further up, when you're more in the upper back area, sometimes it's harder to wiggle around. So then moving the arms up and down can help get the muscles to move a little bit while you're on the balls. Go ahead and slide it. And probably one more spot. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer to work your way up. Sometimes it's fast. It just depends on how tender things are. Good. All right, when you're done with the back peanut, go ahead and slide up the pad a little bit. Then we can do what we call the supine static twist. You're going to have your arms out to the sides. And with your knees staying together, take your legs over to the side. Your hips will actually come up off the ground, but try to keep your shoulders on the ground. But go ahead and stay. And breathe into the stretch. Just give a chance for the muscles to actually loosen up. Once you've gotten a little bit of the digging in with the peanut, now the muscles can be in a place to elongate and loosen. And then switch to the other side. It's nice to hold the stretch for anywhere from 30 seconds to a full minute, depending on how it feels. If you can't get all the way over, feel free to prop your knees on a pillow or something so that you can relax into the stretch and don't feel like you're holding your body up. And come on up. And then you get to come up to a sitting position. And if you sit cross-legged, go ahead and scooch back just a pinch. And then I'll have you face the camera. Once you've come up to a sitting position, you can reach one arm way up in the air and reach across your body for a seated side bend. We're going to try to open up the entire side body in a position where you're well supported. Again, you're going to hold the stretch for maybe 30 seconds. And then go ahead and switch to the other side. All right, and our last one is going to be on all fours. With your hands directly underneath your shoulders and your knees under your hips, we're going to do the cat and camel. So you want to arch all the way as far as you can comfortably go, and then you're going to go ahead and round your back the other direction, pulling your belly button in, tucking your tail underneath you, and finding all that mobility on the other side. And go ahead and undulate back. Nice and slow and controlled. We're just looking for a little bit of movement in the spine and a nice undulation. And relax. Thanks, Kat. And that's mobility for the back.